First, you must choose a niche. Make sure to select a niche with high RPM, if not your earnings will look like this. Then, go to ChatGPT and ask it to generate several name ideas for your channel and select the one you like the most. Then, use these prompts to generate the logo and banner image for your channel using ChatGPT. When it comes to the content creation, you need to find at least 50 video ideas, ask ChatGPT to create 50 video ideas or analyze your competitors, and create a list of video ideas by yourself. Then you need to create a killer script for your video, ask ChatGPT to create a unique script for your topic, and then convert it to your own words. This is very important. Don't just directly use the AI-generated script. Use these viral hooks in your videos to keep viewers engaged. Record your voiceover or use an AI tool like 11 Labs to generate voiceovers for the video script. Use these websites to download stock videos, sound effects, and music. If you need, you can use AI-generated images to improve the quality of your videos. Use websites like Leonardo AI or Midjourney for that. When it comes to editing, you can use CapCut, Premiere Pro, or After Effects. If you are new to video editing, use CapCut. It's beginner-friendly and easy to use. But in the meantime, watch several videos and learn to edit with Premiere Pro or After Effects. Those are the best editors. Then, create a good thumbnail, don't copy others. Create a unique thumbnail style for your video, and you can use Photoshop to make better thumbnails. Finally, upload the video. Find the best and top 20 keywords related to your niche. You can do it using the YouTube search bar. Just type what your video is about and copy the suggested keywords. Include these keywords in the title and description and go live. You will not get views or any subscribers on the first day. Please don't care about it. Upload at least 4 times a week. And come back to this video after a month and comment on your progress.